I think at the very beginning when we decided we need a HRI system, they did a calculation. I think with the system, it can easily save us more than 4,000 hours a year. That's pretty incredible because, you know, like a person, you only work 2,080 hours a year, right? That means save 2 positions here. Yeah, and also I think that was from last year. I couldn't remember when Rival got the new CEO, but ever since then, I'm really excited to check what's new.
Oh,
Also, I can see the consistency on the design. Also like the what's new released for the manager portal and the new employee portal. I think the design is phenomenal.